All right, so next popular design that is on our Pinterest profile is this one. This is not my favorite. Not my favorite. So what would personal stylist Mikara Reid rate this? I would rate this a 1. I do not like this. I wouldn't even look at this. But there are people who would appreciate the designs. They like the designs. I do like the color combinations. There's not really much you can pair this with because you have orange, the purple, and the blue. You have to keep these colors in mind. It's so obvious. It's not like it's low key and you could just bypass it. No, 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 no. This is a very vibrant type of blue as well as this purple. So taking into account, you see how she's matching the ring kind of with the purple. You gotta have things on that's very complementary. So it's very restricting. But I don't like the design. I'm not a fan of stuff like this, but I do like the designs on the 2 fingers. I mean, I had 2 designs. I mean, I have, just something different on 2 fingers and then the rest are solid. That's my type of aesthetic. But as far as like the design, that is not up my alley. Something I would not get. Now, you guys let me know down below if you would get it. If you would get this, then I mean, be on my guest. Like, every design doesn't have to satisfy everyone. It's just not for me. All right, so matching something with this, I'm thinking we could do swimwear. We just did swimwear. If you haven't checked that episode out where I answer some questions, some problems, and then I solved it, definitely go check that out. But I'm thinking that orange, that two-tone orange suit that this black woman wore, this one. This will look really, really good with the nails if you are trying to match your nails with the orange. And then I want to throw in some shoes because you can definitely liven it up. I know there was like a few like orange, but I'm like, no, that bathing suit really looks good. And yet the nails are a little bit festive. So I think doing the yellow would also complement because it did have that blue, orange, and